Here is my mirrors, pink on black Victoria's Secret, because yeah. Here's my keys, my wallet, here's the wristlet currently using. Here is a Hello Kitty and matte collaboration bag. Here I keep a big Victoria's Secret bag just because I think it's pretty and it kind of takes up some of that empty space. Right under it is a leopard print ottoman, and I keep blankets that I'm not using, bedding I'm not using in there. So now for one of my favorite parts of my room, my cube organizer, my Nicki vinyls, and then I have these CDs: Nicki Minaj, Pink Friday, Mariah Carey's The Emancipation of Mimi, Body Mess I'm currently using, The Shimmer, 1,000 Wishes, Velvet Petals, The Creme, I loved that collection, Paris Hilton Heiress, Paris Hilton, the regular one in the back, and Sabrina Carpenter's Sweet Tooth. And I have that Love Shimmer Heartbreaker, Tease Candy Noir. And in the front, I have my Meow perfume by Katy Perry. I have this Hello Kitty planter that I keep a bunch of roll-on perfumes in. I have my very favorite doll. That is because I think she looks like me, with the long lashes and the long hair, and the pink shoes, and the crop top, and the glitter in her skin. So pretty. This is my vanity case full of perfumes. Here is my feathered lamp. Down here I keep all of the books that I'm currently reading, and in here I have more earrings like studs and things like that, but they're too small. I don't want them out, so I just keep them in this old Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab box that I got years ago. This thing is so old. And then I have the Beauty Mark by Dita Von Teese. Down here I have my Hello Kitty Impressions cube organizer thingy, and it's just a bunch of skincare. Whenever I do my face, I take this in and out of the bathroom. Down here is just random stuff for school. So I have my Juicy Couture binder, a laptop case, some random pouches that I use as pencil cases, and right here I have my emergency bag. This is a Victoria's Secret box, or bag I should say. And in here I just keep a bunch of mini lotions and hand sanitizers. Up here I keep all of my paper and documents, an old Leg Avenue sleeve that I just thought was really pretty, and journals, cards that were given to me, manifestation binders, my beauty binder, and then my luxurious lifestyle planner that I got a very long time ago, hence the scuff. Here to keep all the stuff that I use for crafts. So there is some black marabou trim in this little Hello Kitty bag, along with rhinestones, more rhinestones, and just some charms. I keep all of my electronics, all my electronics related stuff. So here is a Victoria's Secret pouch with a bunch of random cables and things like that. I have all my DVDs and CDs in this cute little bra case, and my video game related stuff stays in here. So I have my Switch in here, I have my super old DSi in here, and all of the games in there. Here I just keep this super cute Hello Kitty makeup case, and up here I have this pair of pink heels, and I just thought they were so pretty, so I put them on display and put a little diamond between them. This is just my huge collection of Bath and Body Works things that I've bought. Some Victoria's Secret and Pink Mist lotions and Fine Fragrance Mist by Victoria's Secret. So this is my door, the Juicy Couture gemmed hanger. So this is my bed area. Just start over here. This is my favorite part of my bedside cart. I just have my Juicy Couture laptop case right here in brown and pink. I have my old phone and my phone cases are all here. And then I have my Heaven Sent leopard print wallet, a little Hello Kitty mirror, my Melody mirror, my little fashion diary slash journal slash thing that I just like to write little musings in, my paddle brush, my remote, my little pre-roll case, and just some random things in there. Down here, I keep my prayer slash manifestation journal, my planner, my glasses, Hello Kitty containers that hopefully I find a use for. Another little thing that I used to keep my tips in. But down here, I keep my body oils that I'm using or my body shimmers. And here is a Hello Kitty plushie. I took it apart because this was actually a Gemini and it had a blue one attached. Blue is actually my mom's favorite color, so I took them apart and I gave the blue one to her. And I just keep the pink one here. Now for my bed. I love satin and leopard print. Leopard print runner. Meets with my doggy bed. And up here, I just have my bed. It's a really pretty black diamond tufted headboard. Here I just have some random feathers that I just thought would be pretty alongside the headboard. Pink marabou robe. Here are my pillows. They just have pink satin pillowcases on them. And my throw pillows. I have 2 leopard print cases, 1 pink fur one and a white fur one. And these are my curtains. I have layered curtains, so I have pink ones on top and then these sheer black ones where light can still shine through them, but they do still provide a bit of privacy. These really pretty curtain tie backs. They have heart-shaped pearls on them, and my pink curtains are blackouts. So whenever I do want complete privacy, no heat coming in or any cold coming in, I will take these off. This is my vanity. This is just where I do my makeup and I keep all my jewelry. And here I just have my vanity chair, and I'm not a big plushie person, but this one is a plushie that my grandma gave me, and it's very me pink sequins. The Hello Kitty 50th anniversary squishmallow is pink and gold, again very me. And here is my striped Victoria's Secret blanket. I just keep it on the back of my chair just because I think it looks cute. But my vanity chair is a crushed velvet chair from Impressions, and it has the cute little tufts. Usually my Stanley is sitting here or whatever I'm drinking water out of. And I just have my Barbie chain. Over here, I'm not sure why it's here, but I have my Neverfull. I don't know what he's using. Just a license plate that says high maintenance in pink. Yep, here are all my lip products because there were way too many to actually fit in the drawers. Here are all my lip plumpers, more lip plumpers, and NYX butter glosses. Some of my Victoria's Secret lip gloss, some MAC NARS glosses, some drugstore, and my Fenty glosses. Here is a brat style chair, but I use it to hold the jewelry that I'm wearing, like at the moment. My Heaven Sent nameplate necklace, an angel, some hoop earrings in both silver and gold, a Victoria's Secret inspired anklet. Here's a waist chain that I love. It was Tarte face palette. Here are all my makeup brushes. Here I keep all of my lipsticks and lip liner. Here I have my Keurig with my Hello Kitty mug and tiara.